Katie and Ann. We're at Radiance to answer some commonly asked questions about the jowl area. So Ann, what are jowls and why do they form?
Okay, so jowls form from sagging skin, which loss of volume in the upper face. So the support, too much volume or fat right here in the lower face, and these repetitive muscle movements pulling the lower face downward, even in the neck, and also things like sun exposure, and also we have to put genetics in there.
And can jowls be treated without surgery?
Yes, we can. It won't be a surgical result, but we have a lot of things that we can use to help them. We can use some PDO threads to reposition the tissue and build collagen, fillers to restore volume in the upper face, and this helps reposition the tissue and make it look less heavy. Kybella to get rid of some of this unwanted fat. Collagen-stimulating treatments like lasers to firm up the skin, and also Botox to control those muscle movements.
Beautiful. And how do I know which treatment is right for me?
Well, I think that most people, they come in for a complimentary consultation, and we talk about the goals, what outcomes you want, and we customize a plan that's right for you.
Okay, perfect. So if you have more questions or you'd like to come in for a consult, please give us a call, and don't forget to like and subscribe our page.